Hi, this is Miss Pellegrin and I am a St. Tammany Parish public school teacher. Today we are going to look at a square pyramid. And so it gets its name because the base of it is a square. So it sits this way. And you can see that we also have some triangles, and that's the part that makes it the pyramid. And so we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, and then the base that is a square. So we're going to talk about surface area. Surface area is the area of all of the surfaces added together. So if you notice on this one, we have 4 triangles and they are all the same. So I'm going to just give us a different look at this so that we're not seeing it in this 3D shape. We are able to see it in a flat surface. So this looks like a composite figure. We can see it is a figure that is made up of many different, or not many different, but 2 shapes, triangle and a square. And so if we measure the surface, the square, when we measure one side, we get 9.6 centimeters. And because it's a square, I know that this side is also going to be 9.6 centimeters as well. And so if I'm looking at my square, to find the area of a square, I know I just multiply the 2 sides together. So I'm going to multiply 9.6 times 9.6, and that gives me 92.16. So the square is 92.16 centimeters squared. That is the area of just the square. And then we have our triangle. And so I'm just going to sketch out a little triangle here. It won't be exact. The bottom of the triangle, if you notice, it should be the same when I measure as the square, because in this place it was attached. And so the base of our triangle is 9.6 centimeters. And then I want to measure when it's flat from the bottom to the top to get that height. So from here to here, we know that is our height. And so the height of our triangle is 10 centimeters. So then we want to find our area, and we know that area is equal to 1/2 base times height. So the area is 9.6 times 10. So when I multiply 9.6 times 10, I get 96. So the area is equal to 1/2 of 96. So I'm just going to divide by 2, and that gives me the area of that triangle is 48. 48 centimeters squared. If we look back though, we know that we had not just one triangle, but we had 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So we need to take that 48 and we need to add it 4 times, or we could multiply it by 4. So in total, all of the triangles together gives me 192 centimeters squared. And then we had to remember we have that square at the bottom. So the total surface area of all of the triangles was 192 centimeters squared, and then 92.16 centimeters squared for the square. So when I add those 2 things together, plus 92.16, I get 284 1/16 centimeters squared. So there's just a little look at how to find the surface area of a three-dimensional square prism. I hope you follow and watch some more videos. You can keep up with them on stpsb.org. Have a great day.